It's Scorpio season. It's time to transform your business. Hi, my name's Catherine Hocking. I'm a modern business astrologer. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you all about how you can harness Scorpio season in your business. So Scorpio season runs from October 23rd to approximately November 21st. Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, the planet of the underworld, death and rebirth, and transformation. There's also an incredible power to Pluto. So Scorpio season really is a time of going deep and sometimes dark, really plunging into the depths and uncovering the hidden treasure that lies beneath. It's a great time to get into some really deep projects and really give them your all and go further than other people have gone on the same topic. So Scorpio is a fixed water sign. This means that we have an incredible level of emotional depth in Scorpio. And this energy comes into Scorpio season. Scorpio is transformative, powerful, and resilient. And these are some really important and helpful traits in your business. Scorpio is often represented by the phoenix rising from the ashes, as well as its traditional symbol of the scorpion. There are a lot of themes with Scorpio around death and rebirth, evolution and transformation. So you can think about perhaps what parts of your business could benefit from some transformation. So Scorpio season for your business is an incredibly powerful and potent time to let go of what no longer serves you and your business. It might be a time where you finally decide to let go of some offerings that don't light you up anymore, or really not aligned with your future focus and vision. It's also a time where you can really dive deep and identify limiting beliefs and blocks in your business. It's a powerful time to uncover these and then really do the work around healing and transforming them. In terms of marketing, your business can really benefit from transformative storytelling. In other words, sharing stories of how you or your business, or perhaps your clients, have transformed. People love to see a great transformation story, which is really the epitome of the rags to riches story, right? But transformation happens in all sorts of different ways. So it's a really amazing time to think about, how does your business help others transform? Scorpio loves depth and intensity, and this comes down to the way that we work with clients as well. Scorpio season is a great time to launch offerings that are in depth and really longer in nature. So it's a great time for launching things such as masterminds, VIP days, ongoing coaching offerings. These are perfect for Scorpio season. In terms of your team, it's a great time for being really transparent. Be honest and authentic, because a lot of the Scorpio energy is around emotional vulnerability and intimacy. And this goes for our team as well. Really trusting each other and allowing ourselves to be supported by each other is really important during Scorpio season. Scorpio season is a great time for rituals related to letting go, writing down anything in your business that perhaps you don't want to take into the next year, because Scorpio season falls towards the end of the year. So really spend some time thinking about What do I want to release and let go of in my business and not take into the new year? It's also an incredibly powerful time, as I've said before, for working on your business blocks and limiting beliefs. I'm actually running a free webinar about this very soon. So if you look at the notes below this video, you'll see a link to this free webinar all around how to identify and release business blocks using astrology. So I hope you can see how powerful Scorpio season is for your business. I'd love to know how you are planning to harness Scorpio season for your business. Post a comment below this video. I'd love to hear. And make sure that you subscribe so that you can get future updates for my YouTube channel on all of the different zodiac seasons as well as other astrological topics. And remember, let astrology guide you into the soul of your business.